In today's silver analysis, or xagusd, we have this nice candle on weekly time frame. If this candle can close like this after something like 8 hours, then we're gonna see some lower prices for silver price in the next weeks. All we should do right now is to wait for this candle to be closed. Then we can actually enter sell position here, or wait for some pullbacks in the lower time frames to this level of resistance and enter some sell positions there. Okay, as you can see, this candle's size is also, if you compare this one to the previous candles, the size of the candle is bigger than the previous ones. Okay, and it is all about bodies. 80% of the candle is body. Okay, showing that the sellers are stronger and they have power and they are controlling the market right now. Okay, if this candle can close like this, we can have some lower prices of silver in the weekly time frame. But if we check daily time frame to see what we have a a pin bar candle, or you call it hammer or whatever. Okay, it is actually a shadow. The shadow is really important because the buyers are actually buying somewhere here, okay, on this level. If this candle can close like this, in the next days we can see some upper movements for silver price and upper prices. Like, we can touch this level of resistance, then we can actually, on a lower time frames, if we see some nice candle, we can enter sell position there. Okay, if this candle can close like this after something like 8 hours, okay, we should just wait for something like 8 hours to see this candle is gonna close like this or not. Let's check 4-hour time frame to see what we have. You know that on daily time frame, I told you that we had this trend line which was broken to the downside. If you have watched my analysis, I told you that we can enter sell position here with the stop loss above the candle, which we got our reward somewhere here. Okay, and I told you that we should not close our sell position because the market is bearish, and if you see this candle, it is a really strong candle showing that the price can see lower prices of itself. If we check 4-hour time frame to see what we have, on 4-hour time frame we made our pin bar here and the price is going up a bit. I told you that we can have some upward movements and touch this level of resistance. If we see some nice candles there and pullback, we can enter sell position for trend continuation. On 1-hour time frame, let's see what we have. On 1-hour time frame, right now we are actually seeing some shadows from upside, a shadow from upside. Okay, it means that the price is in correction mode. The price was falling. It makes this correction somewhere here, and if this candle can close like this, we can expect some downward movements. Okay, because we have a shadow from upside. Sellers have entered sell positions here. Okay, and it is a downtrend, so it is logical to enter sell position somewhere here with the stop loss above that. Okay, if this candle actually can close like this. If it doesn't, we can wait for some pullbacks to this level of resistance, then continue then we can enter sell position in that time. On 15-minute time frame, we don't have anything special, but actually the price is returning to the break even, something like this one. We had a trend line like this which was broken to the downside, and this is the break even. You can see the price, they tried to push the price upper to come to this level because they have missed this one here. Okay, some people entered sell position here, some banks and things like that, but some of them missed to enter sell position here. Because of that, they are pushing the price upper that they can sell somewhere here again to enter sell positions and continue with the trend. Okay, so you can see the shadow. It is a really dangerous shadow for buyers. You should exit your position when you see these kind of shadows. Okay, and if we see a red candle close, then we can have the confirmation to enter sell position. Okay, you should wait for something like 12 minutes. Let's check 5-minute time frame. On 5-minute time frame, we had a resistance here. As you can see, let me draw that for you. On 5-minute time frame, as you can see, the price touched this level several times, once here, second, third and fourth time here. Okay, 4 or 5 touches on this level of resistance. The price touches that and starts falling. Okay, so this can be a nice level of resistance. Right now the price broke it to the upside, and it is making pullback to this level, and you can see this candle, okay, a pin bar candle on a support, which is a signal to enter buy position. Okay, you know, we have different scenarios in different time frames. You should choose to which one you should enter. Okay, if you are trading on 5-minute time frame, right now you should enter buy position. Okay, but this is a bit scary because we have a long shadow from upside here. Okay, it is a bit risky. Okay, but in 15-minute time frame you should enter sell position. On, I don't know, 4-hour time frame you should enter sell position. On 5-minute time frame we're gonna enter buy position. You know, different scenarios in different time frames. Let's check 1-minute time frame, my favorite time frame. Let me show you this one. You know, we have support and this trend line. With the break of this to the upside, I myself enter buy position somewhere here. Okay, and go for some scalping positions here. Okay, with the break of this to the upside, and I put my stop loss somewhere safe below these candles and look for my reward. But it is not breaking it right now, as I told you. Let's see 5-minute time frames candle to see how it is closing. You know, it was a pin bar, now it is a full body, full red body candle. Okay, and it is a bearish candle. Yeah, it was all about today's analysis of silver. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. The trading tip of the day is you should not never try to trade without stop loss. Trading without stop loss is exactly gambling. Okay, the differences between trading and gambling is technical analysis that we have. Okay, and a stop loss is a part of that technical analysis, and we can increase our percentage of winning by our technical analysis in trading. But in gambling we have a chance of winning of 50% all the time. Okay, and when you are trading without stop loss, you are actually gambling on that position, because anytime market can return and touch our stop loss. Okay, but we should not let the market to do that, to go, you know, to actually fall further or go upper, that we can lose more money. Okay, we should not let the market to do that to us. We should set stop loss that we can accept that our position was false, our analysis was false. Okay, and I lose some money but not more money. Okay, so use a stop loss on your positions and guarantee your positions that it is not gonna be totally to zero.